Have you ever wondered how fast we can travel in space with our current technology? Speed is the linchpin of space exploration. It's what gets us out of our earthly cradle and into the cosmic playground beyond. But it's not as simple as pressing down on the gas pedal. Spacecraft propulsion is a complex dance of physics and engineering, a symphony of thrust, mass, and velocity. Space, the final frontier, is riddled with challenges. The distances are mind-bogglingly vast, spanning millions, even billions of miles. The environment is harsh and unforgiving, with no air for wings or wheels to push against. And then there's the issue of fuel efficiency. The more we carry, the heavier our spacecraft, and the more energy we need to move it. Yet despite these hurdles, we've engineered marvels that defy our terrestrial constraints. Now let's dive into the top 5 fastest spacecraft ever built by humans, and how they've been able to achieve their incredible speeds. The first on our list is none other than Apollo 10. This iconic spacecraft, launched in May of 1969, was a marvel of human ingenuity and the embodiment of our desire to explore the cosmos. Apollo 10 was a dress rehearsal for what was to come, the historic Apollo 11 mission that put the first humans on the moon. Apollo 10 clocked an impressive 24,791 miles per hour, making it the fastest manned vehicle in history. Now you might be wondering, how did it achieve such an extraordinary speed? Well, the secret lay in the power of its Saturn V rocket. Standing at a towering 363 feet, this beast of a rocket boasted 5 engines in its first stage alone, generating a staggering 7.5 million pounds of thrust. This mission was not just about speed, though. It was a critical step in preparing for the moon landing. Apollo 10 tested all aspects of a lunar landing without actually landing on the moon. It was the first to carry a lunar module into lunar orbit, paving the way for the actual moon landing by Apollo 11. Apollo 10 was a testament to our ability to push the boundaries of what we thought possible. It showed us that we could reach unprecedented speeds, but we didn't stop there. Next up, we have the Helios Probes. These twin spacecraft were launched in the mid-70s, helmed by a joint venture between NASA and Germany's space agency. Their mission? To study the sun up close and personal. The Helios probes took a unique path to reach their destination. They were catapulted around the Earth and Moon to gain momentum, an ingenious move that propelled them to speeds of over 157,000 miles per hour. This made them, at the time, the fastest man-made objects in the universe. But speed wasn't their only impressive feature. The Helios probes were equipped with a host of advanced technology to withstand the sun's intense heat. Their heat shields were made of a special material that reflected and radiated solar energy, preventing the inner components from overheating. These probes gave us a front-row seat to the sun's activity, sending back valuable data about solar wind, magnetic fields, and cosmic rays. They braved the searing heat and intense radiation, operating closer to the sun than any spacecraft before them. The Helios probe's mission was not only a triumph of engineering, but also a testament to our insatiable curiosity. They pushed the boundaries of what we thought was possible and paved the way for future explorations. The Helios probes took us closer to the sun than ever before, but we continued to aim for even greater speeds. Coming in at number 3, we have the Juno Spacecraft. Launched in August of 2011, Juno embarked on an audacious mission to Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. This spacecraft, named after the Roman goddess and wife of Jupiter, was destined to reveal the hidden secrets of this gas giant. Juno's journey to Jupiter was not a direct one. To reach its destination, it performed a gravity assist maneuver around Earth, essentially borrowing our planet's orbital energy to slingshot itself towards Jupiter at a stunning speed. This gravity assist, or flyby, catapulted Juno to an astonishing speed of over 165,000 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest man-made objects in history. But speed wasn't Juno's only remarkable feature. This spacecraft also boasted some of the most advanced solar panel technology of its time. Despite the enormous distance from the sun, these solar panels provided Juno with all the power it needed for its long journey and its array of scientific instruments. This was a true testament to human ingenuity, showing us that even in the furthest reaches of our solar system, we can harness the power of the sun. Juno showed us that we could reach the outer planets with incredible speed, but our quest for speed didn't stop there. Finally, we arrive at our fastest spacecrafts yet, the Parker Solar Probe and New Horizons. Both of these spacecrafts are marvels of modern technology, each with its unique mission and record-breaking speeds. Let's start with the Parker Solar Probe. This spacecraft's mission? To touch the sun. Yes, you heard that right. The Parker Solar Probe is designed to plunge through the sun's outer atmosphere, known as the corona, to study the solar winds and energy particles. It's no easy feat, but with a whopping speed of 330,000 miles per hour, the Parker Solar Probe is up to the challenge. This incredible speed is achieved through a series of gravity assists, or flybys around Venus, using the planet's gravity to slingshot itself closer to the sun. Now, let's shift our gaze from the fiery heart of our solar system to its icy outskirts with New Horizons. Launched in 2006, New Horizons' mission was to perform a flyby study of Pluto and its moons, giving us our first close-up views of these distant celestial bodies. It achieved its impressive speed of 58,000 miles per hour with a gravity assist from Jupiter. These spacecrafts have pushed the boundaries of speed and technology, taking us to new frontiers in space exploration.